My name is Nicole from Royal Oak, and this here is Rosie from Royal Oak also. And I have been coming to see Dr. Saylor since I was about 20 weeks pregnant, and Rosie's here 3 months, so we're a little under a year. And I first started coming because I was having some intense pregnancy pains in the pelvic area where it even hurt to walk. And so I found Van Every, and within a few adjustments I was definitely feeling a lot of relief, so I came throughout my entire pregnancy. I've always lived in the area and I've passed it for years and always wondered, and so when I was having a lot of pains I looked it up and I was really impressed that there was like a whole section about children and pregnancy. So I gave you guys a call, and the receptionist was Melissa, was like outstanding and helped me and got me in as soon as possible. I tried acupuncture honestly, and it didn't help me very much, and I was taking like some pain reliever too, which I did not want to do pregnant, and so I stopped that, and I was doing like stretching, like prenatal yoga, and that did help, but I felt like chiropractic would help a lot. So I've been manipulated by a chiropractor before, and I liked it. It helped, but who I saw was further away, and I never had KST before. So it was interesting, and I still don't know if I completely understand it, but it works. And we come on a regular basis, so myself and Rosie can be adjusted now. I mean, it's especially for her. I don't think I would have her be manipulated. I don't know how they do it with a baby, but this is obviously so much more gentle, and it's not scary for her. I mean, it helped, like I couldn't even like barely walk when I was at work, only 20 weeks pregnant, so it helped me work up until the day I had her. And of course for her it helped Rosie a lot. We brought her here pretty soon, I think she was like 5 weeks or so, and I wish I would have brought her sooner. She was having a hard time nursing, and within a couple adjustments she was nursing perfectly. I would say because it works, and just everyone's awesome here too. Like Dr. Saylor is amazing, and everyone at the front desk is too. They get you in as soon as possible, and it works. Rosie loves Dr. Saylor. She's like, I want to see what you're doing.
I know. I'm busy back here, aren't you?
What's going on? What are you doing, huh?
Her neck looks so good.
Is getting anything else, or does she seem? Doing good, lady. Doing good.
Drooly.
All day long.
Hi, superstar. Look at you. You're so serious right now.
She's like, I want to see what you're doing.
Hi.
I got baby work to do.
Hi.
She's like, I'm very interested.
Mm-hmm.
Very interested. Just go right in here.
See, Tuesday is a little different than here.
It's a little different.
There you go. All done. Yay, Rosie.